It's your girl Hetty. Amen. Ciao. Okay, so what's poppin'? We have baby Mainster here. He's coming for his 4th month vaccination. I'm looking cute. Okay, so we're waiting for our turn. I drove baby here. Yes, I have this frontal installed for like 6 days. So he's looking cute. Hey, hey, hey. Ciao, ciao, ciao amore, ciao amore. So yeah, waiting. Ciao, ciao. Okay, so I'm waiting for our turn. Husby has taken my car away. Baby is looking fine. I mean, he eats so well. He's so fine. He eats and eats and eats. Yes, Bubba. Yes, Bubba. Come on, take the picture. Okay. Tutto bene? Okay, so I am done with his 4th month vaccination. He cried, so it's normal. 2 injections on the thighs and then 1 syrup. Quattro mesi?
Quanti mesi?
4.
4. Sono grande.
E lui?
3 mesi, deve fare 4.
Ah, mamma.
Più o meno.
Lui era proprio 4 kg al parto.
4 kg al parto. Allora sì, si capisce. È naturale.
Lato materno, sì. Mangia, mangia.
Brava.
Mangia, mangia tante, mamma mia. Quanto mesi?
16.
Ah, ok. 1 anno 4. Sì. So they are saying my baby is big. So we are all moms waiting here. We are all done visiting or doing our. So this is where they injected him. It's painful. So ciao, ciao piccolina. Okay, so after 5 or 10 minutes, we can go home so that he becomes calm, and then the vaccine works well in his system. Besides that, I'm okay. My skin looking fresh. Ciao. Ciao, andiamo. So we can go now. Baby is all relaxed, and I think the vaccine should be, well settled in his system. Ciao. Ciao, amore mio. Ciao, amore mio. Ciao, amore mio. So yeah, we are going. Ciao. So Husby is trying to make some changes to my car.
Baby, I wouldn't know.
You know what? Bad idea, no.
You don't start things and not finish them. You don't quit. There's nothing that comes out of quitting besides knowing that you didn't finish. We finish everything. You start it, finish it. If you're going to do it to try and be the best.
Facile. Poi due da lettera. Italia.
Italia hanno nomi strani.
Sì.
Boh.
Allora vediamo il primo, è Sara Oboi.
Sara o Boy? Sì, questo.
Come li spariamo. Sara Oboi.